Vayu in my college, and like the main thing of Vayu is that this year, in the history of Vayu of about 6 years, it's for the first time ever that we have the maximum number of girls in our festival. So in our core this time we have about 12 to 13 girls. We've never had so many girls in our festival. The maximum that we have ever had in these 6 years was about 2 to 3. So last year it was about 4 girls, and this year drastically it's become 12. So like the women empowerment that I feel started mainly for me right from the festival. Apart from that, what women empowerment means to me is not just empowerment like the women, but to like equalizing them to men. So not just something like, like I feel feminism and women empowerment are two completely different things. Feminism is about complete equality, and women empowerment is bringing them up to another level. As to what mostly like we at our festival have been doing, are trying to do, and otherwise. Apart from that, me and all my roommates are already associated with a lot of NGOs. So at present I'm working with this blind association. It's called National Association for the Blind, and it's only related to women empowerment. So the association basically deals with blind women and blind girls, and the kind of empowerment that we do for these women is in the form of getting them jobs, getting them placements, getting them internships, getting them any kind of work exposure. So basically empowering them in that sort of way. So that's yet again not just like regular women empowerment, but yes, we're like in a different with the social cause of doing it for the blind. Apart from that,